you just saw me doing wasn't just a workout. It was me making money. What is up, divas and divos? This is your girl, Nikki, the Deal Finding Diva. Welcome back to my channel where I show you how to either make money or save money. And today I'm going to tell you how to make money from losing weight. Yes, some of these apps will pay cold, hard cash for you to lose weight. So you don't want to miss this video. Make sure you watch it all the way through, and we are going to talk about these apps that will pay you to lose weight right after this. All right, divas and divos, let's jump into what you tuned in for. And the very first app that will pay you to lose weight is called Achievement. Achievement will pay you cold, hard cash via direct deposit or PayPal for logging fitness activities, including tracking your steps, logging your meditation sessions, logging your meals and sleep, miles biked, and even for doing surveys, referrals, and for connecting health apps. So you know I have this app. And what I did was I connected my Apple Health app to it, and it logs everything that I'm doing. So all the tracking that my iPhone or my Apple Watch is doing for me, that is going into Apple Health, and I connected it to Achievement. And immediately when I connected my Apple Health app, I was backdated all the points that I had earned over the last week for my physical activities because my devices already track my steps. So the way their point system works is 10,000 points equals $10. And again, you can get paid via direct deposit or PayPal. So this is some easy money. It's a great way to stay active as well as getting some money in your bank account. Who doesn't want some money in their bank account? I know I do. But let me sweeten the deal for you. If you use my link below, you will get 475 bonus points when you sign up and complete an offer or connect the fitness app. And again, if you connect your fitness apps that you already have, you will already have even more points. So Achievement is an awesome way to get moving. Plus, it is a great idea for those of you that want to lose weight for the new year. So make sure you use my link below, sign up for Achievement. It's an easy app and it is awesome. I'm like addicted to this one already. So the next app that I want to talk about is called Sweatcoin. Now, Sweatcoin is based out of United Kingdom, and they are in a variety of countries. And a lot of you DM me and send me messages and emails asking me to provide information for various countries. So Sweatcoin is an excellent idea for those of you that are not in the US or in the UK. They are in a variety of countries. The way Sweatcoin works is they will give you points for tracking your steps and doing other fitness activities. And those points can be converted into free items or even money paid via PayPal. So this is a great app to make some extra money. Plus, I saw some free things in there, free offers and free items if you pay for shipping. So you definitely want to check this app out. And you can get extra points by connecting fitness apps such as Apple Health, which is what I did, or referring friends and family, or even watching ads. They have a new ad in there every day that you can watch for some bonus points. So what I did when I signed up is I immediately connected my Apple Health app to make things a lot easier for me so I don't have to worry about going back into the app every day and updating information. I just let them automatically track everything. And when I did that, they gave me bonus points. Make sure you use my link below. When you go in there, make sure you immediately connect some apps and you will get bonus points too. Who doesn't want to get paid for doing things that we do every day anyway? So Sweatcoin is a great one. And like I said, they're in various countries and they've been blowing up all over the place. So you definitely want to check out Sweatcoin. They are a great way to stay healthy as well as make some money. So let's move on to the next one, and it's called Healthy Wage. Healthy Wage will pay cold, hard cash via direct deposit or PayPal. So here's the thing with Healthy Wage. You have to bet on yourself. How much confidence do you have in yourself? That's what Healthy Wage is about. So you're basically betting Healthy Wage that you will actually lose the weight. So those of you that are chronic dieters, this is an incentive for you to stick with that plan. And if you get the Healthy Wage app, they have incentives in there to keep you coming back into the app to help keep reminding you to continue on your journey. And Healthy Wage will pay you cold, hard cash for losing that weight. And the more you wager, the more money you can make. Now, the amount that they're willing to pay you will depend on your age, your weight, and some other factors. And you can start with as little as $5. And the way that it works is every week you will have to weigh in. And there's a few ways to weigh in. You can do it via video, you can do it through their app, or you can have a doctor sign off on it. So they will check every week to make sure you're actually on that track to losing that weight. And if you don't lose the weight, you don't get the money. But you can actually flip under $100 into hundreds of dollars. So there is great reward if you're willing to lose the weight. So make sure you check out Healthy Wage. I'm linking them down below. They are a really cool app. And again, if you're one of those chronic dieters, make sure you stick with it, okay? And the next one that I want to talk about is an app that a lot of people already have, but they don't know the capabilities of it. And it is the Walgreens app. In there, they have Walgreens health goals. And what they'll do is they'll pay you Walgreens cash for doing physical activities. So you can jump in on different health challenges, and you can actually get $1 a month or $2 a month. Sometimes they give bonuses. And before, what I've done is I've connected my Apple Health and they tracked my steps. Recently, I didn't see that in there, so I don't know if that's going to come back or what, but definitely check out that Walgreens app, because that is one of the best kept secrets, because a lot of us already shop at Walgreens anyway. So if you already have the app and you can actually earn some extra cash that you can use in the store, why not do it? So definitely check out the Walgreens app and get your Walgreens cash. But I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you found some new ideas on how you can get paid to lose weight. But I'm about to peace out on this video. And before I go, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet a diva or devo, and turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And with that said, I'm ready to peace out. Lose that weight and stick with it. Bye.